Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Hey, I just wanted to bring a little reminder to you guys. The creators of the Rothrock watch, Ardor and Forge, are going to have an official opening of their Kickstart page March 24th. Yeah, that's this month, the 24th. So definitely check them out. Great new micro brand hitting the market. And I'll leave a link below where you can check them out. I also will leave a link to the video I did on the Rothrock. But today, hey, we're going to check out a pretty cool little Spinnaker right after this. Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel. Hey, my name's Scott and you're at Watches Galore. Today we're going to take a look at the mid-size Cahill by Spinnaker. Very cool watch. It is the black PVD model. It does have a black bracelet with this. It was shipped out to me without the bracelet for review. This model reference number is Sp-5075-33, and I'll leave a link to Spinnaker's webpage below so you can check that out. And hey, let's get into some specs right away. Case diameter on this watch is 40 mil, which to me is a sweet spot in a diver. Case thickness 13 millimeters, lug to lug 50 millimeters, and a bandwidth of 20 millimeters. So yeah, this guy here is, let me get this focused in. This is the mid-size Cahill model, and it's running the Miyota 8215 automatic movement. It is hand winding, but not hackable. So that could be an issue with some people, maybe not. I like hackable movements, that's just me. It has a 40-hour power reserve with this guy though, so that is a big plus. You gotta love that. 316L stainless steel case in black, does have the Spinnaker etched in the side of the case. It's very nice looking. Ionic black is what they're calling it. It does have a screw down crown with no crown protectors, but has some nice knurling on it with for gripping action. It's a very nice smooth operating crown. I like it. No problems with that. It does have Spinnaker logo on the end of the crown, if you can see that, and I can get that focused in. 120 click bezel, you can hear it. Nice action on the bezel. I love this crisp clicks, no backplay at all. Everything lines up. Very nice. I believe this is a glass bezel, and it does have Super Luminova on the bezel and the handset and indices. So I'm going to throw a shot up for you there. Very good job on lume. Spinnaker has just been really coating their models with a lot of lume lately, and I like it. You gotta just love lume. Wow, I love it. Sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Lots of anti-reflective coating. It is bright in this studio, and it's doing a very good job. I'm going to pull this in for a quick shot here, close up. That textured dial, I really like that. If you can see it, just a nice texturing to it. Looks really good in the sunlight. Spinnaker below 12 o'clock position. It does have automatic and 500 feet water resistance right above the 6 o'clock position, and 500 feet. You know, that's good for just about anything you want to do in water sports, in water action. Get it wet. It's a very good depth rating. Boxed out date window at the 3 o'clock position, and a lollipop second hand running around there with that Mercedes hour hand. Looks good. I like the dial on this guy. Overall, just a solid looking watch. Like I said, this does come with a black bracelet. I think it has a fold over clasp, a safety locking clasp, push button type style, And I'll leave a link to Aaron's video below. This came to me by way of Aaron Dunlop. I want to thank Aaron for sending this out to me so I can share it with you. And let's get this on my wrist for a wrist shot on my 7-inch wrist. All right, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist, guys. It does come with a 2-year warranty, and this particular PVD model is going to cost you about 400 US buckaroonies. And there are some other models they have of this particular watch, the Cahill, and they're around like 350. So check out their webpage. I'll leave a link below in the description for those models, all the models together. Hey, if you like this vid, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel this year, please do. It would help me out a lot. I'd appreciate it. And always stay well.